And staffing shortages aren't just impacting human patients, it's also hitting vet clinics.
Our Carly Petrus spoke with local veterinary centers to find out if they were experiencing staff shortages. So Carly, what did you learn?
Well, Zach and Caitlin, I actually reached out to quite a few vet clinics around the Rochester area, and some of them were so busy and short-staffed they couldn't even take my call.
The wait to get your pet in to see a vet could be weeks, sometimes even months, and some are being turned away altogether.
Having to say no to a client or a patient or say we got to book you out a little bit further, it's a struggle. It's very hard.
Here in the Rochester area, vet clinics say the staffing shortages and overbooking are taking an extreme toll on their mental and physical health.
We used to be able to book in same-day appointments regularly and get those sick ones taken care of within a very short time period. And now we're trying to save the time enough, but we can never guess the right amount of time to save for.
Vet tech Emily Smith says most clients have been patient.
When it's an emergency, it's an emergency. So it's a little bit of a concern, but that's why we're here today, is to be preventative.
But some, not so much.
There's a fair amount of times too where they're, frustrated, and understandably so. Veterinary technicians is one of the highest in any medical field for burnout and turnover.
She says this could be just one reason vet clinics nationwide are experiencing staffing shortages. Another reason could be the lack of available schooling.
There are limited schools. However, I think sometimes the schools that there are, their classing sizes are smaller too.
Rochester Community and Technical College does have a vet tech program.
In fall, our numbers were lower. We had less students who wanted to come to school. We did still require that our students had to be in close proximity to other people just because of the skills that we have to teach.
Professor Kimberly Raleigh says becoming a veterinarian is more than just loving animals.
Whether it's a small animal, a dog or cat, or even cattle, there's an owner and you have to be able to communicate with them and be the animal's advocate. And so those relationships you build with the humans are equally as important.
The staff at Byron Vet Clinic say if you're thinking about getting new pets or already have a puppy or kitten, to plan ahead and get their appointments scheduled with the routine veterinarian as soon as possible, so that when they do get sick or injured, you have somebody you can go to. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Carly.